Concrete black. The concrete blocks are alternative for the bricks. The size of the block is larger than bricks. Here, the more type of blocks are available. The first one is a solid block. The length of the solid block is 40 centimeter. Then the height of solid block is 20 centimeter. Then width is ranges between 8, 10, 15, 20 centimeter. It has a high compressive strength and its resistance to weathering, then impact oppression, then the capability of being molded components of any shape and size. Used to higher fire resistance up to 400 degrees Celsius, and if the blocks are used for the construction, if these blocks are used for the construction going to be very rapid manner, then very good stability of bricks, then appearance also good. This is the hollow blocks. The main advantage of the hollow blocks is the self weight of the block is reduced by means of providing the hollow space in it. Usually, the size of the hollow block is 14 by 29 by 14 centimeter. And it can be made larger than solid block. It can be made larger than solid block. Due to this larger size, the construction work is very rapid manner, and due to the light weight, it can be easily handled. Or lighter weight in construction of wall easily and quick. The voids can be filled with steel bars and concrete. Achieving high earthquake resistance, the reinforcement will be introduced in the hollow blocks. This air space provides a good thermal insulation due to the in between the empty space, the thermal will be insulated. The cavities can be used for electrical installation of pumping. The cavities can be used for electrical installation of pumping. Here the image shows that center portion, the hollow portion will be provided. Cellular block. Cellular block is other kind of concrete block. Which contains in this block, which contains one or more formed voids, do not fully penetrated with block. Then special block. The blocks which are designed and manufactured for a special purpose and which have a shape and size which varies from standard. Because for example, the interlocking blocks for use of interlocking purpose, then a end block to provide a end conditions. Here the some images are showed for the special block. For special pipe block, U block, then U block. Then types of masonry concrete blocks. Types of masonry concrete blocks. The first one is a dense masonry aggregate blocks. Previously we seen about the solid block. The same as that. The dense masonry aggregate block. The next one is a lightweight masonry aggregate block. The special advantage of lightweight masonry aggregate block is a less weight, so that it can be easily handled. Then aerated masonry concrete or aircrete blocks. This although lightweight, then material will be reduced. Then honeycomb clay masonry blocks. Honeycomb clay masonry blocks. Then hemp masonry blocks. Unified clay masonry blocks. The insulated concrete form masonry block. The dense aggregate block. Typically, a thermal conductivity of this block is 0.7 to 1.8. Then its advantage is it is more durable, reusable, particularly where the lime mortars have been used, it is widely used. And it also high thermal in moss. Then high strength due to the solid portion, it have a high compressive strength. Then products available with recycled aggregates will be used. Then the disadvantage of this block is use of aggregates and sand causes land or marine degradation and resource depletion. The non-renewable materials. Use of cement contributes to global warming for insulating properties. And it may be the application of this block is walls, then garden boundaries. Then a lightweight aggregate block. It have a typical thermal conductivity of 0.25 to 0.6. Then it have an advantage of moderate thermal mass but higher than aircrete. Make use of secondary aggregates and it have a good insulating properties and it is more durable, reusable, particularly where the lime mortar has been used. Good workability. Products available with recycled aggregates. Then it have some disadvantages. Use of clay cause land, then degradation and reuse depletion, and it also have application in walls and use in garden boundaries. The next one is the aerated concrete or air-grade block. This have the thermal conductivity of 0.09 to 0.2. Then it have advantage of moderate thermal mass, the uses of industrial waste as a prime constituent. The very good insulating properties based on volume. It have aerated blocks contain 25% less imported energy than other concrete block. It have a good workability, lighter weight. It saves energy in transportation due to its lighter weight. And reasonable sound absorption properties. Due to this, it can be used as an acoustic material. It can be used as acoustic materials. And due to this non-renewable energy, it can be more widely. Alternatives to concrete. Then honeycomb clay block. Typically, it have a thermal conductivity of 0.1 thermal conductivity than other concrete blocks. Then you have a use of facade for ventilation, then siding, veneer, homes, the commercial properties, paving applications and steps. Hemp block. It have a thermal conductivity of 0.36 in structure and 0.1111 in thermal. And it have advantage of hemp is renewable material. Very good insulating properties. It have a highly thermal mass than carbon negative through sequestration of carbon dioxide during plant growth. And then it have a reusable, dismantlable, recyclable, biodegradable. These are the some advantages in chem black. Unfade clay black. You have a thermal conductivity of 0.21 to 0.95. You have an advantage of very low embodied energy, and it have a reusable if it is dismantled carefully. Reusable if it is dismantled carefully, and it also recyclable, biodegradable, and high thermal mass. It can be used to stabilize thermal humidity, internal humidity. It can be used to stabilize internal humidity. Then it also uses a good sound insulation. The insulated concrete form blacks. I have a thermal conductivity of foam materials 0.083. It will have an advantage of 80% post-consumer recycled wood waste. And it includes renewable materials, enables rapid construction, it have a very good insulating properties. And their use is siding, veneer homes, and landscaping of gardening beds. These are the sub uses of ICF.